Hello everyone, welcome to this revision podcast on Nazism. In this next few minutes, we will revise the chapter while also understanding why this topic is so important. Let us begin with the background. After World War I, Germany was in crisis. A National Assembly met at Weimar and established a democratic constitution with a federal structure. The country had to sign the Treaty of Versailles, which weakened its economy and military. The war had a devastating impact on the entire continent, both psychologically and financially. People faced unemployment, poverty, and humiliation. From a continent of creditors, Europe turned into one of the debtors. Yet, the crisis could not be managed. People lost confidence in the democratic parliamentary system, which seemed to offer no solutions. They were desperate for a strong leader. This situation helped Adolf Hitler rise to power. Hitler was a powerful speaker. He promised to rebuild Germany and restore national pride. He joined a small group called the German Workers' Party, which later came to be known as the Nazi Party. His party blamed Jews and political opponents for Germany's problems. Slowly, the party gained mass support. In 1933, Hitler became the Chancellor of Germany. Soon after that, democracy ended. Germany became a one-party dictatorship. All opposition parties were banned. Freedom of speech and expression was taken away. The Gestapo, or secret police, created fear among the people. Now let us revise Nazi ideology. Nazism believed in racial superiority. Hitler claimed that Aryans were the superior race. Jews were wrongly portrayed as enemies. The ideology was based on hatred, not on truth or science. The Nazis used propaganda very effectively. Media, radio, films, and posters presented Hitler as a hero. Children were trained to follow Nazi ideas through schools and the Hitler Youth. Independent thinking was discouraged. The most tragic part of Nazism was the persecution of Jews. Jews were removed from jobs in schools. They were forced to wear a yellow star. Later, millions were sent to concentration camps. During World War II, this persecution led to the Holocaust, in which around 6 million Jews were killed. This remains one of the darkest chapters in human history. Nazism ended in 1945 with Germany's defeat in the war. But the lesson remains. Nazism teaches us that when democracy is destroyed, when people blindly follow leaders, and when hatred is promoted, humanity suffers. History is not meant to frighten us, but to guide us. It reminds us to protect equality, freedom, and human dignity. The story of Nazism is not only about the past, it is a warning for the present. Remember, freedom is fragile, democracy is priceless, and silence in the face of injustice is the greatest danger of all. Thank you for listening and happy revising.